Understanding e-book readers, your guide to digital reading. Hello everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating aspect of technology that's revolutionizing how we read: e-book readers. Whether you're a bookworm or just getting into reading, understanding what an e-book reader is and how it works can be incredibly useful. So, let's dive in. An e-book reader is a mobile electronic device designed specifically for reading digital books and periodicals. Unlike traditional books made of paper, e-books are digital versions that you can read on a screen. E-book readers are convenient because they are portable, can store thousands of books, and offer features like adjustable font sizes and backlit screens. Popular examples include Amazon's Kindle and the Barnes & Noble Nook. E-book readers offer several advantages. Portability, carry a whole library in your pocket. Customizable reading experience. Change font sizes and styles. Built-in dictionaries, look up words instantly. No glare screens, easier on the eyes than smartphones or tablets. Long battery life, lasts weeks on a single charge. Using an e-book reader is simple. 1. Charge the device. Most e-book readers use a USB charger. 2. Download books. Purchase or download free e-books from online stores or libraries. 3. Open and read. Navigate your library, open a book, and start reading. 4. Customize settings. Adjust the brightness, font size, and more to suit your reading preference. E-book readers support various formats like EPUB, PDF, and MOBI. Some also offer accessibility features for visually impaired users, like text-to-speech or Braille display compatibility. E-book readers are a fantastic tool for avid readers and occasional readers alike. They make reading more accessible, convenient, and customizable. We hope this video helps you understand and appreciate the world of digital reading. Happy reading, and see you in our next video.